Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. I'm gonna do a quick video today on the probably biggest problem we see in our applicator training. So probably I won't call it necessarily a problem, but probably the biggest thing that we have to correct, or the most common thing when we're doing our training is people spraying too fast. And there's a few problems with that. If you're spraying fast and you're just changing the color, your coating's not going to be very durable. And the reason why is Cerakote's very specific on how it really needs to not only spray enough to get on the surface, but it also has to layer on top of itself. So if all you're really doing is changing the color, then really what you're in fact doing is you're coating, you're etching. And there's not that kind of that layer built up on top of it to give you that abrasion resistance. So what's ultimately going to happen is that coating is going to fail within a few months. It's going to eventually get rubbed on, and there's no kind of think of it as a cake. There's no layer on top of the the bottom layer to kind of give it a thicker crust, I guess. So if you're spraying really quickly, unless you're doing multiple passes, you're going to have a hard time getting it the correct thickness and have it layered up correctly. You can do it if you do multiple wet passes. I'm not saying that that's wrong. Just the reason why I do it the way I do and the way we train the way we do is, in my opinion, it always makes more sense to just get it right in one good wet pass than take multiple passes over the same area, because it gives you just more opportunity to screw up your project. So, we did a little demo in this video. You'll see when, it gets to the part where we're spraying where, I spray a couple of really quick passes. That's kind of what we see in training. And then I sprayed the rest of the project the way we spray. And it just really allows you, like I said, to build that coating up on top of each other. You're coating the etching and then you're building up. And you can actually see it when you're doing it correctly. And the way we describe it in the training is that it's almost like, plowing snow. You'll have that kind of a wave you build up in front of that snow plow, and then as it starts to kind of curl over, you actually see that kind of that wave pushing in front of your snow plow. That's kind of how it looks on Cerakote. You'll build up, and then as you move, you'll just kind of see it cresting as it goes. That's what you're looking for, because you have to have that 1 mil. If you don't, then your base coats just might as well not even be there. So just a quick video. We obviously go a lot more in depth with, when people come to the training, but wanted to do a quick one, just kind of a, top thing that we see, and kind of give you a visual demonstration of it. So there will be a link down below for our Applicator Academy. We, check that out. We have 3 different versions depending on your skill level and the amount of time that you have to come. I'd love to have you. We always have a really good time in the training, and hopefully it's great info. We've had really good feedback. So as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.